Sure. Maybe let's define that fear a little bit more. It kind of comes in a couple different flavors. You do have some people who say, well, gosh, I'm just not a tech person. I'm not very tech savvy. And that's the person who doesn't feel very comfortable with technology writ large. Whatever it is, any kind of tech solution, they're a little bit hesitant, a little bit afraid of it, and find it intimidating, and they're reluctant to use it. That's very true. But a second flavor that it comes in is related, but it's not quite the same, and that might be someone who's generally not afraid of technology, and they may have a lot of software that they use that they're perfectly comfortable with. But then you show them something new, and they'll either take to it or they won't. And a lot of times, what that determining factor is information overload. You show them something that's simple and easy to use, and they say, "Okay, this is simple. I've got it. Just get out of my way and let me do it." But if you show them something complicated and something that gives them information overload, then they just shut down. It's too much friction, it's too much hassle, and they just won't use it. They might be perfectly tech savvy, but the solution just sort of doesn't fit them very well. I personally am in this category. If you show me something that's too complicated, I'm out. I just won't use it. It does need to be simple. It does need to be right sized. So with our customers, we come across that all the time, especially with small businesses. And for people who are sort of in bucket number one, they're just sort of not, they're not very comfortable with a lot of technology. You just have to show them, we like to just show them what we have and say, well, this actually is pretty simple. It has these things. Here's how you think through it. Here's how you use it. And then they say, oh, okay, well, that's very simple. I'm all set. And that's what I need. For people who sort of have that information overload problem, again, same type of thing. It has to be simple. You want to show them features that they need, and you don't want to give them a whole lot of bells and whistles that they don't need. They're going to have all these things in their interface that they're not going to use, and they're going to wonder, well, why is this here? Like, I'm not using this. So am I really getting all the value that I'm paying for? But if it's there, maybe I should be using it. Maybe I need to go hire someone and pay someone to show me how to use it, and now I'm just going to add to the expense. So with Haven, we try to simplify that and stay away from all that so people can get value out of the product and get back to work.